Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
The rumbling sound from your water heater is likely due to sediment buildup at the bottom of the tank. Over time, minerals from hard water accumulate, forming a layer that reacts with the heating element, causing the rumbling noise. To resolve this, flushing the tank annually is recommended to remove sediment, improving your water heater's efficiency and lifespan.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.